We're here for Dale.
Welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to the vlog. Kaya. Wait lang. Hello! I'm here in Lipa again. Staycation na naman. Hindi naman totally staycation kasi wedding ni Dale tomorrow! You already know Dale. Nasama ko na siya sa vlog ko nung punta kami sa sa LTC. So, for wedding tomorrow, syempre kami, I guess, anak ko yun eh. Ako nga si Moma. So anyway, gagabihin ako. Ayokong ma-hassle. So I said, okay, time for another vacation. And yeah, I'm here in Jet Hotel again. I'm actually gonna meet up with Steph later. Di-dinner ka because I'm craving for Indian. Si Steph naman ay kung nag-go. Thank you, Steph. Siya bahala mag-order ng food later. But first, I have to check kung may trabaho pa ako. Meet up ko din. Merienda muna kami. So, yeah, just gonna check my emails and then meet up with Nini and then meet up with Steph. So, that's the agenda for today. Nakakainis lang tong pimples ko. Can you see? The lighting here is weird. I have this big-ass pimple. Nilagyan ko sila ng patch. Parang hindi talaga sila magpapatalo. Oh my God, I'm so oily. Hindi talaga sila magpapatalo. And unfortunately, I feel like my period is here. And I hate that because I hate how my makeup looks when I'm on my period. So yeah, actually I'm gonna show you my fit. Kahit napaka-casual lang naman. Yeah, this is the pen shop top that I bought. Kasi nagka-stain yung suot ko noon. So ito ay hindi... wala sa oras na napabili ako ng top. Yeah, but this is the pants, the lounge pants from the TikTok shop. I forgot the name of the shop. Mahaba siya. I like it. It's very comfy, very casual. Then I was wearing my Birkins earlier. But yun lang muna. Gonna check back with you later. Wala, mag-order lang kami doon kay Steph. Indian food. Yung ba yung Japanese doon?
Madami kasi silang ramen eh. May ipon yari.
Yeah, ipon nyari pala. Doon pala ako nakakain na.
Yung ramen mo.
Indian food ang gusto ko ngayon. Tagal ko na crave. May orderin. Mag-ano na. Ganun. Mag-order na lang kami. Para makapag-ingay din ang kaunti. Mabigat pa to sa... Thank you, Steph, for the gift. Unexpected gift. Say hi. Si Steph at si EJ. Nakita niyo na sila on the last vlog. Hindi pala. Matagal na pala. April pa.
Ang tagal lang nga.
Bilis. Bilis ang panahon. Nandito ako sa apartment nila. Nag-order kami ng Indian food kasi I've been craving. Hindi naman tao. Food. Indian food. Sabi craving. Diba? Buti na lang.
Scream pag horror.
Horror. We're gonna watch Weapons. Kahit napanood ko na. Para masaya siya kasi horror. We're watching Weapons. Doon sila. Hinipan ko yung iPad kasi ayaw gumana ng HDMI. Pagkahihip ko gumana na. Diba? Ang bango. Sanan. Ano nga ito? Butter chicken. And samosas. And biryani. Ang bango. Excited na ako. Ha?
Samosas.
Ay, natakam na ako. Makakaupo tayo. Thank you po. Thank you so much. I'll do my best to not stain. Get me please. O, diba? Nasatisfy ang feeling. Taganong isang araw pa ako. Crave na crave.
Buti na lang nagsabi ka ng
Indian. Either, actually tatlo. Either Indian, steak, o chicken katsu curry. Sa Sunday na lang ako mag-chicken katsu curry.
Magkakailan ka sa gym?
Sunday.
Tagal din pala.
Shit, ang sarap ng biryani.
The flavors are melting on my tongue.
Ay, ang sarap.
Di ba sabi sa'yo?
Ang kamayin kaso.
Kamay ka. Pwede ka nagugas dun sa sa kusina.
Wala na, nahawakan ko. Nan. And the butter chicken. Pero may nakita akong, yung garlic sauce? Mint sauce din, pareha lang. Masarap ba sa mosa? Sabi ko yung
Actually, ang weird nga pero ang sarap niya.
patikim nga ako. Parang ang lakas kasi.
Gusto mo maghati tayo?
Yes, please. Titikim na. Lagyan mo na din ng sauce.
Oo.
Ay! Okay na yan. Hindi ako masyadong masauce eh. Ay, tama ang hawak ko. Ay, ang init pa. Sa mosas, hindi ako mahilig, pero with the sauce. Parang sarap ng sauce, ha? Ang init pa ng samosas, ha? Ang sarap ng sauce.
Diba?
Ano pangalan ng place?
Cardamom.
Cardamom.
Ano yan?
Parang authentic, ha? Hindi mo siya pag
Authentic mo sa
kaya mo yan. Hindi kasi pag sinawsaw ko, parang double dip naman. Nakakahiya. Naku! Nagkalat na siya. Sarap. Cardamom.
Ito tsaka Momtaz. Masarap.
Sarap. You heard the recommendations. Kasi nakakain na ba kayo dun sa sa biryani house? Sa may Batangas?
Sarap.
Sarap. Sarap din daw. Lagi silang sold out by mga hapon.
Usually kasi pag ganito, in-order lang namin.
Sarap. Good morning! It's the day. I'm gonna see if I can get like some natural lighting. So I'm gonna do my makeup over here. Robinsons pa lang aking view. Okay. I should put you there. Okay. Yeah, I think this will work. For my makeup later. You're so far away. Can you hear me? Anyway, good morning. It's almost 7:30 now. How was my sleep? It's fine. I slept well until like 5 a.m. and then I woke up, but then I fell back asleep again, so that's great. Actually, I have a lot of time to kill before getting ready. I'm gonna have breakfast now, but I'm not gonna pick you up because I have to go outside and buy some shampoo. No, conditioner, some conditioner. The breakfast is just like simple. Maybe I'll just use my phone to film the breakfast. What else? I don't know. I'm still not fully awake, to be honest. Okay, but I like this lighting, and it's gonna get even better as the day goes on because it's not too much. There's a balcony here. Oh no, it's just the space. I have the wonderful view of Robinson's Lipa. It's a very old mall. So yeah, see you later when I get ready. I'll vlog a bit and then Dale's wedding. Dale's wedding. Oh my god. Two of my 4 kids are married now. Oh. And the first one in our group who got married back in 2023. Actually, the first time that I stayed here at Jet Hotel, December 2023. So that's almost 2 years ago. She's actually pregnant now. I just found out because I don't have Facebook and Instagram. I just found out and she's having a little girl. Janessa. We're gonna see her bump later. Oh my god. Okay, I'm getting more awake now. Okay, see you later. I don't know if you can see it. I'm in the rooftop. So hot here. Init. And there's nothing really to see. I just thought, I've been here twice already. 3 times now and I have never been here. Maybe I can... Pero gusto ko mag sa pool tomorrow. natural light. Ah, yes! My makeup looks good. Thank you. Thank you, self. Wait, I just forgot to film. So yeah, this is the look. Very, very conservative. Very, very, even though the boobs are out a bit. Look, very happy with my makeup, with the dress. Even though the dress is a bit big, like I need to like do that, but whatever. And the girls are almost here. Just waiting for them. I've been waiting for like 30 minutes now, but that's fine. It's gonna find a way to fit you in my small bag. So yeah, jewelry's in. I put it on. I was about to put on another necklace, but I'm like, I don't know. It's a bit too much. I think this is perfect. This very necklace is perfect. So yeah, I'm so happy with the glam. Okay. See you. Say hi to the vlog. Kinda pissed off. We're late. Say hi. Sino ka? Ito yung
anak. Lahat ng anak takot.
ito yung hindi nakita nung April. Yung hindi nagising sa alarm.
Yes. Ngayon, bago mag-alarm, gising na.
Yan yung bunso. Yan yung kambal ng ikakasal. Na hindi namin makikita ang entrance.
Oh, buntes, hawakan mo.
Wait lang, mama, malagkit kamay ko eh.
Ba yan? Steffi ang aming driver for today. Thank you. Thank you so much. Drive safe.
Gusto ko yung iba-iba yung shade ng blue natin.
Ang galing, puro tayo naka-blue, no?
Be, yun yung...
Wait lang, wait lang.
Ano ba talaga,
Sabagay.
buntis? Bilisan mo. Hawakan mo lang.
Okay.
Please. Oh, pakilala ka.
Hi, I'm the preggy.
The
Hi, mga
Preggy
ka-preggy.
one. Ang naunang preggy sa group.
Yeah, and this is Steph. Steph,
Ako yung
hi
susunod
sa vlog.
Ay!
Kala mo naman.
Miraculous.
Ay, ganda ko naman dito.
Oh, ang ganda naman ng haircut.
Gusto ko na rin ang off mo.
It's like a crown. Yeah, kasi ako mother of the bride. Yun na nga, tama na. Maya-maya makarating sa
Yan pa yung DJI.
Osmo Pocket 3. Sobrang cool.
Yeah, right.
So it's 3. It's almost 3:15 na. The wedding is 3:30.
Yung kasama ko.
Bahala na. Abutan pa namin si Dale.
Uy, hindi na mo
Kaya nga, nabutan pa namin si Dale. Dale!
Dale, we're here.
Kasi akala namin late na kami. Tara. Wait lang. Sige. Dale! Ang ganda ni Dale! Bitch, baka kasi mahagip tayo. Ang veil niya. Pati ayos. Ang ganda ni Dale! Ang ganda ni Dale! Ganda ni Dale! Dale! Shit, naiiyak na din ako. Oh, Dale. Ang ganda ni Dale. Ganda ni Dale. Kapatid na yun. Saktong-sakto tayo. Very good kayo. We made it. Guys, say hi. Ay, may against the light, sorry. Against the light, kita si Shai. We're here for Dale. Yee! One more! Woo! Terraza de Sucol. This is the ano, pero dito daw muna kami. Overlooking the city. Medyo malayo siya, medyo papasok. Takot nga namin eh. Sabi ni Shai, para daw pa Encantadia yung papasok. Pero sabi naman namin, parang wrong turn naman.
Hindi mo na-videoan?
Hindi.
Kinabahan ka.
Kasi natakot nga ako.
Kasi diba sa Encantadia yung may mga couple?
Normally ganun pag...
Eh, kayo tumahimik. Kayo tumahimik.
Yung air...
Ganda nga.
Ganda nga.
No? Lalapit pa ako. Dito ako sa... Ganda. O sige, lakad kayo. Lakad, video ha. Tama na? Tama na. Ganda. Look at that. Can you see the city lights? So pretty. Ayan, dito maganda lighting. Come here. Mamaya tayo mag-grazing table. Just a one shot. Parang, di ba ang ganda ng lighting? Bilis!
Lighting.
Bilis! Ayan siya. Where's my daughters?
Is there a video?
Yes! It's a vlog. Wala na. Parang ano ka.
Welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to the vlog. Ay!
Ang Encantadia ng Alitagtag.
Para wrong turn naman talaga, promise. Okay, yung grazing table, videohan natin later. Madami ng tao. Kahit medyo gutom na din ako. Thank you!
Ay,
Grazing table. Wait lang, kuha lang muna akong pagkain. Ano ba? Kaya nga, ang hirap. Ano ba? Nasaan ba mga pangkuha? Lahat kakainin ko yan. Walang problema. Parang lahat gusto ko. Parang natatanga mo sa sushi ah.
kaya nga, tapos parang hindi ko na kaya.
Bawal sa'yo sushi.
Bawal ka.
Bawal lang ano, raw. Cookies and fruits and rolls and everything else. Ang dami pagkain. Thank you po. Then it's me. Pero sa at the back of my... Dami lahat na.
Sobrang nakaka-tiktok talaga.
Ang cute. Game
Ay, ano na lang?
mag-start. Tayo na nga lang apat.
Chesas na lang.
The Bichesa.
Boses ko kasi.
Okay.
Okay, number 7. Hello!
Nag-beep na?
Hi, Bill tsaka Mark. Congratulations.
From the Bichesas, from Mama, from your sisters.
Ayaw nilang magsalita sa mic.
Congratulations, best wishes.
Happy for you. Humayo kayo at magpakarami.
Ay!
Bye!
Bye!
Love you.
Tapos, hang up your message na daw.
Okay na, tara na.
Thank you.
Napangit kasi.
Tululuha.
And Mr. Mark, baka kayo
Tululuha.
Hey, walang bibigyan more!
Wow!
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and the Mrs. Official Manoping!
Wow, perfume!
Naglakas din ako. Naglakas sa'yo. Sige.
Sabay-sabay sa mga
Ayaw kong i-vlog ang daan kasi baka may makapture. Pero natatakot talaga.
Di umano.
Please. Di umano. Ay talaga eh.
Natatawa ako doon. Yung, di ba, kilala niyo ba yung nauusong anak ni Pacquiao ngayon?
Oo.
Yung anak daw ni Piolo at ni Pacquiao.
Kaya nga tawang-tawa ako doon. Di ba?
Tapos ganito, sabi,
Hi, back at the hotel na. Well, I've been back. Kanina pang mga 9:30, 9:40. But, hindi na kami kumain sa wedding ni Dale kasi yung dalawa namin kasama medyo malayo pa. So, we just decided to go na. Kasi, busog na rin naman kami sa grazing table. Thank God, mabibigat at madami yung kinain namin sa grazing table. So, umuwi na kami. Pero, I'm scared that I will get hungry. At medyo nakakaramdam na nga ako ngayon ng gutom. It's now 10:15, almost 10:30. So, bumili na lang ako ng food sa Jollibee. Pero, hindi ko muna siya kakainin kasi I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I wanna shower, I wanna wash my face, take this makeup off. Pero, in fairness sa makeup, yeah. Tapos, irritable pa ako kasi walang fries sa Jollibee. So, I just bought like a burger and the peach mango pie. Ayun, charge ko muna mga gadgets ko. Mag-aayos na din akong gamit kahit pagod na ako. But, I want to be like just ready for tomorrow na lang din. So, yeah. I'm gonna do all that and then eat. Then, ayos ang gamit and then take my eyes off my my contacts. But yeah, as much as I don't want to like end this beat, because this is like a really good beat, even though I have like big ass pimples, but the makeup was eating. Good night, and hindi na ako masyado makapag-vlog tomorrow kasi mag-check out lang ako dito tas uwi na ako. So yeah, I guess this is the end of the vlog. End na ba? Oo, sige, end of the vlog na. Thanks again for watching. Goodbye, good night, good morning. Ano? I'm tired. I'm done. I'm done here. Bye. Bro, I'm overwhelmed. But yeah, I've been home. And yeah, thanks for watching. I just wanted to film something. Like, thanks for watching. See you on the next vlog.